Hey guys, happy holidays. So I thought this was a cute idea. My kids did this in their virtual schooling. They made reindeer food. So we were just going to do like a little short tutorial on how to make reindeer food. And then we are going to spread it outside in the grass for the reindeer. So when they come down and help bring Santa, bring the gifts. So all you're going to need here is oatmeal. Okay, can you guys see all that? Looks like it's too far back. Okay, oatmeal. We have some candy sprinkles here. This would typically go on like top of cupcakes. And we have glitter. So we have red and green. You can pick whatever colors you want. And then we have the normal candy sprinkles for cupcake toppings. And then we also have carrots if you want to add that to yours. It's really up to you. Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and take about 4 scoops of oatmeal. So go ahead and we're going to dump that inside of the Ziploc bag to make this process easy. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, come on, and 4. Come on, last one.
And 5.
No, 4, right? This is 4. Okay. All right, and then Layla can go ahead and do hers. In the meantime, Leah, go ahead and start with your sprinkles.
These?
Yes, you can do about 3 shakes of that. 1, 2, 3. That's enough. Ooh, that's enough. Okay. If you want to change the color, go ahead and do the other side. Do you need help? Let me see. All right, there we go. 3 shakes. 1. Wait, hold up. It didn't go in. Go. 1, 2. No, you need a little more than that. 2, and then 3. Okay, that should be good. And then you can do the regular candy sprinkles and your color glitter that you want to use. Sprinkles.
1. Wait.
Go ahead. You gotta turn it all the way over.
1,
2. Nothing's going on. Go ahead. Shake it harder. Harder.
1.
There we go.
2.
That's good.
3.
Alright, and go ahead and put your glitter. Now that pours out really fast. So you can do 3 shakes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and your red glitter.
Wow.
1. Wait, and then you're going out. Go ahead. A little more than that. 2.
1, 2.
A little more. I can barely see it. Okay. That should be good. And then if you want to add your carrots. You want to add some carrots?
1,
2. And then 3 or 4. That's good. And then you can do a shake, shake, shake. Shake it up so it can all blend together. Can you see it there? Show it up to the camera. And then so we want to mix it all in. Alright, and then we are going to spread this outside in the grass for our fellow reindeers that worked so hard to help Santa get all of the gifts out for Christmas. Okay, and then
Look at all the carrots.
I know, right? Isn't it super cool?
Sprinkles.
Yes.
Oatmeal. Sparkles.
Yep.
Glitter. Let me take my first.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh my god.
Yes, you guys. So isn't that cool? And so we are going to go as soon as Layla is done. We are going to go and put this out for Santa's dears. Okay, you guys. And that is about it, you guys. So thank you for watching and happy holidays to you and your family. And please be safe, you guys. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.